Just to give a closer inspection, that hatch on this rear bumper is fucked. Good news, my exhaust wasn't hit. It's not borked or tweaked or anything, so that's good. The alignment on the bumper and the rear quarter is still good. My taillights are unscathed, at least from the quick look at it, but there's no scratches, dings, marks, cracks or anything. They didn't get hit and they didn't get twisted and pushed, so I'm glad on that one. This looks like it got nicked a little bit right there, but otherwise unscathed. I can probably polish that out. These are really rare, so I'm happy this didn't get fucking destroyed. The alignment on this side is also pretty decent, and the quarter panels on both sides, I don't feel any bends or tweaks in them. The hatch alignment all the way up to the top is also pretty decent. So all things considered, I kind of came out of this okay for the most part. I mean, yeah, but it could have been much, much worse. Much worse. So yeah, I'm still super pissed off and I want to go fucking murder a bag of kittens, but no airbags. I'm not injured, so I think that's what matters most. I'm just hoping that the bumper underneath the bumper cover isn't all fucking tweaked, because if that is, then this will 100% be totaled out. But if it is, I will just buy it back and I will salvage title it and just keep running it. I am not getting rid of this car. So yeah, day before my vacation.